Oh, sige, sige. Straight ni oh, matiko man atong tanom. That is a red nangka. Para magkatabi sila dito sa nangka nga isa. Sige Ken. Proper Ken. Put the soil there. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. O ganyan, o put. Come closer to the plant. O good job. Good job. Good job, Ken. Oo, dito.
Dito, oh.
Para magdako ni harvest na to.
This one the biggest.
The biggest. And this the biggest. Oh my God. Okay. We're done na.
Dad, I have to go over there to there. Dad, you have to go there.
Why man?
Back there's